Welcome to my AI list, building training and software, and how to build your email list on autopilot. In this video, I break down how my powerful AI list building training and software helps entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, and online business owners generate high-quality leads using artificial intelligence. If you want to grow your email list faster, automate your lead generation, and increase conversions, this training shows you exactly how to do it step by step. Discover how to use AI to create high-converting landing pages, generate targeted traffic automatically, build and nurture an email list on autopilot, create AI-powered follow-up sequences, turn leads into consistent commissions. Whether you're brand new to online marketing or already building funnels, this AI system simplifies list building, content creation, and traffic generation without needing advanced tech skills. Stop chasing leads and start attracting them with AI automation. If you're serious about growing your online business with artificial intelligence, this training and software gives you the tools to scale faster and smarter. For more information about this AI-infused funnel system, visit ComeOnGetSome.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on AI marketing, affiliate marketing, lead generation, and online business growth.